Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove bloatware and system ads on your POCO M8 Pro. To remove system ads on your smartphone, we're just gonna have to open settings on it, then swipe down to Fingerprints, face data and screen lock, and then scroll down to Authorization and Revocation menu. In here, find and disable MSA. Then you're gonna have to wait for about 10 seconds until we are able to turn off the authorization. And after that, the system ads will disappear from your device. Now, if you want to uninstall some pre-installed applications, in settings, we have to go to apps menu, and then select the application that you want to uninstall, and then tap uninstall, okay. And if some applications cannot be uninstalled, this one actually can be, but if some application here can't be uninstalled, we can still uninstall its updates and then force stop this application here. To make sure that all the changes applied, let's press power button and volume up key at the same time, and then swipe the circle down to reboot the phone. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.